I'm going to make a breakfast burrito this morning. Nothing special about it. Just going to open up the refrigerator and see what I see in there, and if something looks good, it'll come out and go in the burrito, and who knows what will come out of this. Well, let's see what the refrigerator has offered up this morning for my burrito. I have some roasted potatoes here, some leftover hot sauce, picante sauce from Rose's, some green peppers here that I like, some diced Spam, green onion, and some crumbled feta cheese. And that ought to make a pretty good breakfast burrito. The first thing I'll do is hit the skillet with a little cooking spray here. It's a non-stick skillet, but why push your luck? And we'll start out with some of these diced potatoes here. That ought to be about enough. And throw in the Spam. By the way, Walmart now sells Spam that they will slice for you at the deli counter. That's where I got this. I got it cut number 6 thickness, which is 6 millimeters, which is, those feet and inches people, is a 1/4 inch. And we'll throw that in and let that start cooking. Oh yeah, and there's an egg involved in this morning too. Well, that's cooking along, so we'll add some of this to it. Green onions, the pepper and seasoning, and stir those in. Well, that's coming along very well now. So what I'm going to do is rake this side and add my cheese to it. Now, you can use any kind of cheese you want. I have shredded cheese over there, which I normally use, but I've got this feta here that I like and need to use up. Well, I'll just finish the job. Okay, so much for that. I'll pick that up later. Break the egg in here. I'm going to leave that shell over there. Let that egg start cooking around the edges here. Scramble that egg. It doesn't take long to make these, and they're good. Looks like it's 7 o'clock. If we change daylight saving time tomorrow, add some pepper and salt at this point. And I'm going to toss the tortilla. I've got a 10-inch tortilla here. I'm going to toss it in the microwave for about 10 seconds to get hot. Now the egg's done there. with some salsa picante. Now, I'm making me one up to my likings. There's probably a lot of people here saying, "Oh my gosh, I'm not going to do anything like that." Well, just season it to your own taste. And to make a Tex-Mex, I've got some totitos de maize, corn chips, in other words. Get a paper towel here. And my tortilla. By the way, tortillas have a right and wrong side. See the large brown spots? That's the outside. This is the side you put the food against. And just slide this over on the tortilla. And now, you know, I told you about the saving egg. There's a little white left in there, and I'm going to put it right over there along that edge now. Yes, I know it's raw egg, but it will be cooked. And I'm going to roll this puppy sides in, this side over, stuff everything under it. Fold these edges in and roll this right on over that. Now it goes back in the skillet with that down to toast that, and that will seal it shut to where it won't unroll as you try to eat it. Okay, let's check this out. Yeah, see how it's all toasted there on the bottom? And that's sealed to it. It won't turn loose or anything. The egg has a seal to it. And we'll toast the other side. Okay, it's ready to take up and go to the table, so I'll meet you there. And there's my toasted burrito and my favorite coffee cup. Good hot coffee. I'm going to have breakfast now. Rita's still sacked out. I'll fix her something when she gets up. Check this puppy out. You don't get a burrito like that in most restaurants. And it's got just enough fire in it that I like. A lot of people wouldn't want it this hot. Look at that. That is good stuff. And it was all leftovers in the refrigerator. And didn't take all that much time to fix. So here's to all my favorite people watching me. And God bless America. God bless Texas. Because in what other state would you find a picture like this?